Hey everyone! If you've ever dreamed of wielding a lightsaber like a true Jedi or Sith, then today's review is going to blow your mind. We're unboxing and testing the Goliath automatic extending retracting lightsaber, and let me tell you, this thing is straight out of the Star Wars universe. Let's ignite the saber and dive right in. Alright, let's crack this bad boy open. Inside, you've got the Goliath lightsaber itself, a charging cable, because the Force can only power so much, and some easy-to-follow instructions. Now, the moment I pick it up, I can already feel the weight and build quality. This isn't your average toy lightsaber. Oh no, this is the real deal. The hilt feels premium in your hand, and the design? It's straight out of the movies. How it works, the lightsaber in action. This isn't just any lightsaber, it's automatic. One press of the button and whoosh, the blade extends with that satisfying vroom sound effect we all know and love. Just like that, you're ready to duel. And when you're done saving the galaxy, hit the button again, and the blade retracts smoothly back into the hilt. It's like having your very own retractable laser sword. No more awkwardly pushing the blade in yourself like some rookie. Plus, the color? Absolutely stunning. It lights up with vivid, bright LED colors that make you feel like you're in the middle of a lightsaber duel on Tatooine. You get those classic sound effects too. Swing it around, and the saber hums like you're in a real battle. When you clash with an enemy, or a very confused friend, the sound hits just right. Features. What makes this saber special? Here's the rundown. Automatic extension and retraction, no manual pushing here. The blade slides in and out with the press of a button. Realistic lights and sounds, fully immersive experience with dynamic LED lighting and authentic sound effects. Rechargeable battery, you're not stuck in the dark ages with AA batteries. Just plug it in with the included charger, and you're ready for battle in no time. Heavy-duty construction. This lightsaber feels solid, like something that can survive a few intense duels and still be ready for more. Multiple color options. Choose your side. Whether you're feeling like a Jedi today or giving in to the dark side, the colors let you live out your Star Wars fantasy. Whether you're a die-hard Star Wars fan or just someone who enjoys epic toys, this Goliath lightsaber is for you. It's perfect for cosplayers, collectors, or even kids or adults who want to have lightsaber duels in the backyard. Honestly, who doesn't want to feel like a Jedi Knight or Sith Lord from time to time? It's also an amazing gift idea for the Star Wars lover in your life. With the automatic retracting feature, you're going to blow their minds when they see it extend and retract with the push of a button. The realistic feel makes this way more than a toy, it's a piece of the galaxy far, far away. So, should you grab the Goliath automatic extending lightsaber? Absolutely. If you've ever wanted to experience what it's like to wield a real lightsaber, this is as close as it gets. With its premium build, automatic blade, and authentic sounds and lights, it's hands down one of the coolest gadgets out there. Grab yours now and start your journey to becoming a Jedi or Sith Lord today. Thanks for watching TechWave Reviews. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more awesome tech reviews. Let me know in the comments, who's your favorite Star Wars character? I'm leaning toward Obi-Wan, but let's hear your picks.